So let's look at the pair gold USD. So tomorrow is Monday and we are going to look at the analysis of the pair gold USD. This is a daily analysis, the 30 time frame here. We can see that gold was pretty forming an uptrend. It was forming an uptrend for the past few days, and by looking at the uptrend we can see it's going up like that. If I'm gonna draw with a solid line, you can see probably what I'm talking about. You just make it clear this is an uptrend. Okay, so what you're gonna do right now, we're gonna look for any possibility of gold returning on the downside or going up from there. So we can probably see the Let's analyze gold, the pair gold USD first before we start trading on Monday. Today is Sunday. You want to see on the daily analysis and also the prediction of gold. We can see that it's a daily and gold has been going up for the past days and for the past months. Gold has been on an uptrend. We can see it right there. That's an uptrend. So what you're gonna look for is the probably formation of the gold, what it's gonna happen on the next week, what our trading is gonna look at. So let's just grab our tools and start drawing. What you can see right now, we can see that gold is at this zone right now. This zone is an order block right here. You can call it an order block, or you can call it a demand. It's also a demand like that, or another block, whatever you call it. So while gold is pushing up, we want to look at the possibility of buying gold. If we are looking on a daily time frame, we're going to look at the possibility of buying gold. If I can extend my zone right here, I can see that if I can extend my zone pretty a bit far. Let me just check if I can do it, or maybe let me just grab another line. Let me just grab this line here. As you can see that gold is right here at this zone, and this zone is pretty a wall zone. By looking at here, we can see it acted multiple times as a resistance here, and it acted as almost a support here and a resistance here. And as you can see, this is pretty a respected zone that we can see gold running through. So we want to check what's gonna happen, because the last time gold was running through this major zone here. So we expect gold to come back as it is right now, and now we will expect a move up a little bit if it's gonna continue going down after that. So let's look on a smaller time frame. Let's look on a 4-hour time frame, and as you can see on a 4-hour time frame, Friday we ended just like that. We ended just like that. We can see our downtrend formed like this, and gold from there start shooting up a little bit. So let's mark our real areas that we expect gold to go. So if I'm gonna mark my areas, we can see there is a small supply which is right here that we can take ourselves. This is supply right here, and you can also get another supply. Right here. There's a bigger supply also that we expect gold to reach there and then start falling, and you can mark our supplies as we go. So because I'm a scalper, I like scalping, so I like entering trade which I'm quite having, or like I'm really sure. I like being sure a little bit before I enter a trade. So you can see that gold might just start rallying from our zone that we have just drawn right here. We can see gold might just start rallying from our zone. We can see our zone here. So we want to see gold rallying on Monday, chasing some of those zones that we have drawn above there. So in any case, we can see we get a few confirmation that gold wanna fall at our zone here. We can then take sell trades from those zones that we have just marked, because everything is possible. Everything is possible. This is a market, nothing gonna be perfect, but if we get any confirmation of us selling gold right there, we can sell gold right there. So but if we see a move, let me say if you can see something like gold going up here, passing through and then getting back here, then we can take our buy from here, targeting zone, that zone up there somewhere like that. It's a really weird drawing, but I'm just showing you what might gonna happen. So I want to check on a smaller time frame. That's probably going to be a smart time. But before we go further on a smart time frame, we can see that if gold end up going down, we can see our zones. We still have a lot of zones to draw. I love this zone here. So I wanna just draw it roughly like this. If we can see gold, if we see confirmation of gold trying to move down, meaning that it's gonna target those key points down there, and probably even as far as another demand which I've marked last week right here on our groups. You can see gold might go down. Everything is possible here, but so far we can see that gold is moving up since Friday. So we're gonna see what happened Monday. So stop entering trades on emotion, stop entering trades without confirmation. So let's see what's gonna happen probably on Monday, if you can get a very nice confirmation. So you can see where gold have ended, or gold have ended at a really nice key level, which might just influence the movement of gold. You can see is the key area I'm marking here. It's actually the key area I'm marking here where gold ended on Friday, which was a 10 back gold trying to go down from here. Gold is going down from here. So until where and until when, we don't really know yet, but we're gonna find out what's gonna happen on Monday if we are to take our trades. So we're gonna see what happened in Monday. So what I'm gonna do right now, I don't wanna like make this video a bit long, but as you can see, I just wanna go back to that 1 hour. As you can see, if gold shoots down Monday, when or maybe we open Monday somewhere right here, we can take our buy. You can take a simple buy from this zone right here. This is also a demand zone that we might see gold pulling back to, and from there we can take our buy if that's what gold is giving us. So I'm gonna take our buy to the next level. If you didn't see a buy there, or didn't see a sell at this zone right here, meaning gold might still push up, and we're gonna see if you can get some maybe buying positions around there. But for now, let's look for a selling. Let's look for sell positions around those zones that we have just drawn. And thank you guys for watching. You wanna follow more on this video, you wanna follow more on this one, just keep watching.